I hacked my brain with this headband and 5,000-year-old secrets. 100% focus. But no one knows about this. New age tech merging with centuries-old practices changes everything. I've been using the Muse Athena headband for the last 4 months on a daily basis. And before that, I was using the Muse 2 headband for almost a year. And my main takeaway is that they have greatly transformed my life and performance. Muse 2 was incredible for tracking my brain activity, giving me insight into my meditation patterns and helping me understand when my mind was calm or wandering. But the Muse Athena takes it to the next level. It's lighter, more comfortable, and packed with features like advanced sleep tracking and even more precise sensors that capture your body and mind in real time. The app is super easy to use, and the AI-powered Enso gives specific, intuitive feedback. Both headbands have transformed my focus and mental clarity, but Athena makes meditation, sleep, and self-awareness effortless, engaging, and maybe a little more magical. By quantifying and measuring my daily meditation practice, it has transformed from a vague, subjective experience into a tangible skill I can see, feel, and evolve. Think of it like this. Practicing meditation without feedback is like practicing archery without a target. Muse acts like a clear target and a coach in real time, showing you exactly how to adjust, so hitting the bullseye of focus becomes sound nature. The Muse headband gives real-time biofeedback. You can choose from a variety of soundscapes. I personally love the rainforest. And here's the magical part. When your mind wanders, the sound gets louder. When your mind is calm, focused, and present, the sound softens. In every session, the Muse app gives me a full spectrum of mind and body metrics, including real-time brain activity tracking via EEG sensors that measure 5 types of brain waves: gamma, which are heightened perception and learning; beta, which is alert thinking and engagement; alpha, which is relaxed awareness; theta, which is deep relaxation and intuition; and delta, deep restorative rest. So I can see how my mental state shifts throughout my practice. It tracks neurofeedback calm scores, body stillness percentage, breath, high harmony rhythm, heart rate, and trends, and posture movement detection during meditation. For sleep, it provides sleep scores, sleep stage tracking including light, deep, and REM phases, heart rate patterns overnight, and detailed recovery metrics. On the dashboard, you'll find trend graphs showing your progress over time, alpha peak frequency for cognitive performance, brain recharge scores showing how you bounce back from stress, plus habit building stats like total meditation minutes, weekly goals, and milestones. All of this data turns your inner experience into measurable feedback you can learn from and grow with. That might sound like a lot of technical data, but actually it's quite simple. What it really shows is how calm, focused, and present your mind and body are, and how you can strengthen those states every day to transform your overall happiness and performance. It teaches you exactly what focus feels like in your body. So whether you're tackling a creative project, preparing for a big game, or simply trying to stay present in your day-to-day life, you are mentally prepared and focused to be your best. Muse makes meditation tangible. You actually see and feel the calm, the focus, the presence, and train your mind to enter that state naturally. It's a tool that turns intention into real, memorable results. So if you're really ready to train your mind, deepen your focus, and elevate your performance, the Muse Athena is your guide to mindfulness made tangible.
Hit the link above for a special discount and drop any questions you may have about your daily meditation or about the Muse headband in the comments.